These are a pair of new wiper blades I just got. The old ones weren't wiping clean, left streaks and threatened to scratch the windshield. Today I'm going to show you how to change out the old ones and install these new blades. If you watch to the end, I'll also show you a trick on how to make your wiper blades last as long as possible. Let's get to business. Lift the wiper arm off the glass so that you get clear room to work. The wiper arm is that long metal extension on which the wiper blade is attached. For the blades themselves, you will figure out the right size from the owner's manual of your vehicle, a quick online search, or simply compare the old one with the new one you intend to buy or already have at hand. Start with one arm at a time. Release the old wiper blade by raising its clip. With the blade clip open, turn the orientation of the blade as horizontally as possible and remove the blade. Like this video, let's chat in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel and enable notifications if you want to see more concise and helpful auto DIY videos like this. To fit in a new wiper blade, remove any cover or protection the new blade has on it and align it as vertically as it will go. Slide the wiper arm's U-looking hook on the new wiper blade and close up the clip securely. Careful so that it firmly clips in place. Grasp both the wiper arm and the non-wiping metal part of the blade and gently tug to make sure that the fit is indeed secure. You don't want the blade flying off and the arm brutally scratching your windshield. Do the same thing for all other places where a wiper is installed on your vehicle and needs changing. Remember to remove an old wiper blade, align it as horizontally as possible. To fit a new blade, align it as vertically as it will go. Now to the trick that will help your wiper blades last as long as possible. Never use the wiper on extremely dry glass. Use only when the glass is wet or when it's raining. Doing so minimizes its wear, abrasion on the windshield, and general longevity. However, if you must use the wiper on dry glass, always consider also using the wiper fluid in conjunction with said use. This isn't goodbye. Catch ya on the next one.